Namaste and good evening friends. Today I am here to tell you a small story from the older times of Indian civilization. So as per Indian mythology and civilizational texts, Lord Indra is considered to be the god who controls the god of rain, the god of wind, that is Varun Dev, Agni Dev, Vayu Dev, etc. So this story belongs to that time when once Lord Indra was very angry with farmers for some reason, and he decided that I am going to punish these farmers, and he thought to himself that okay, I will the most important thing for farmers is a good rain. So he decides that there will be no rain for 12 years. So the all farmers go crying to him, please forgive us, please give us rains. Lord Indra says there will be no rain for 12 years. Now it will rain only when Lord Shiva plays his Damru. So all farmers decide to go to Lord Shiva. But just before that, Lord Indra informs Lord Shiva that he is doing all this to punish the farmers, and so Lord Shiva shouldn't listen to their prayers. So now meanwhile, all the farmers go to Lord Shiva and pray to him to play his Damru because they want rains, and Lord Shiva says that I am bound to Lord Indra's decisions. Let's see how it unfolds. So all the farmers go back, and some are crying, some are cribbing, some decide okay, as it is it's not going to rain for 12 years, let's try and do something else, etc, etc. But there is this one farmer who is sowing his seeds, who is seeing to it that his land is regularly plowed, who is seeing to it that the land is regularly fertilized, he is seeing to it that the land's quality stays good, and he is consistently doing all kind of farming activities in his own field. And everybody is apparently making fun of him that when we know it's not going to rain for 12 years, why are you doing all these things? So after 3 years, finally some farmers decide to go to this farmer and ask him, why are you doing all these things? The farmer says a very important thing. He says, see, it is going to rain after 12 years. What if in these 12 years I forget how to do farming? What if I forget how to sow seeds? What if I forget how to fertilize the land? What if I forget how to take care of the land? And that's the reason I am just practicing my skills so that I don't forget them. Now here, from above, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, Goddess Gauri, are listening to this entire conversation, and Mata Gauri says to Lord Shiva, what I was thinking, that if you are not going to play Damru for 12 years, how if by the same logic even you forget how to play Damru? Lord Shiva is one of the most innocent gods. He thinks, oh, what if that happens? So in his excitement, he plays the Damru, and that's the same time when, as per what Indra had said, it will rain when Lord Shiva plays the Damru. And the same moment it starts, very beautiful rains on the earth, and the farmers are astounded. And there is only one farmer who is ready for this surprise, because he has been plowing his land regularly, he is sowing seeds, he is fertilizing the lands, and he immediately gets his crop. So what does this teach us? This teaches us that be the lockdown for 1 month, nor that now 1.5 months or 2 months, we should continue to sharpen our skills in this lockdown. We should continue to learn new skills online or offline. We should read books, and we should see to it that we are well equipped for the moment when this lockdown is going to be released. Let us use this quarantine period to sharpen our skills and also to practice our profession, so that instead of forgetting what we have been doing, we will get better and better in it. So if you want to get good fruits for your deeds, and if you want to really reap good benefits, then start sowing your seeds now. Let us sharpen our skills, and meanwhile stay home, take all the precautions, take care of yourself. Thank you.